And voila. Woo. We got it out. Alright, you guys, as you may know, this is what we're doing today. I'm taking out the oil pan. Because, yeah, it was a pain in the ass at first. Because I got stuck thinking the AC compressor kind of attaches to it. This is the little bracket for it. I thought I had to take this off to get it off, but then there's 2 bolts on the side of the AC compressor that you just take off. I felt like an idiot after I found out. So now we have to find out where we're gonna set this drain. So a couple people like to do it, I think, from right here. I've seen someone do it from right here too. This is like above the drain plug, but I'm gonna look into it right now to see where would be a good spot, because right here, as I looked, like if you do it right there, it's like literally right under the drive belt. So I don't think I want that there. Because here, yeah, because like what I'm saying would be like right here. Also, the chain's right there, so I don't think, because you also want a good amount of space. Make sure you're not gonna hit nothing up here, because once I drill into this, that's it. Like, there's no going back. There is like, I have to see, probably like, because this is where the drain plugs at, right around this area. So if I do it right here, maybe I'll be able to clear it. But let's see. So this is where I'm gonna be drilling right here. I'm gonna make the guide. Let me double. Right around there. Alright, you guys. This, that. Alright, you guys, so I wrapped it up. I got to drill into the oil pan, as you guys saw, but the drain plug, I'm gonna call it a drain plug, I'm not exactly sure what it's called. The drain plug, I didn't have the size big enough to make the hole so it could fit in there, in there correctly. Sit in there correctly. So I'm gonna have to go and get that little, like the drill that looks like a Christmas tree. I'm gonna go get one of those, drill it in, and then run the lines, and then we're good to go. But for now, I'm just taking a break. But let's see what goes on with our day.
Grape soda, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I like grape soda.
Grape soda is the
We got
shit.
some purple drink for my purple stuff. Purple drink.
Give me a picture, y'all.
I'm gonna kick your ass. That's what we're gonna do.
Give me a picture and then Photoshop the Meister shirt onto it.
Do you want to say to the vlog?
Yeah, like I wanted to
Stay pimpin'.
So want to say something to the vlog? I know you got something to say. You always got something to
All I
say.
gotta see is when's the video gonna go up?
What video? Oh my god. You gotta wait for those.
Now we have
You got something to say for the vlog?
Nothing.
in the foot.
He's spent. That's what.
You got something to say to the vlog? Okay. Something to say to the vlog?
What?
So has something to say to the vlog. Cause I'm.
Why are you so close? Like, are you invaded? Like, this is the reality that we're living. Your life will be saved.
What? Not all of us have thick thighs.
Go ahead, you have to leave.
Alright, so I got the piece that I needed. I mean, I'm hoping this is the size. This is one I had in my tool bag. I literally opened it. It was the first thing right there. So we'll see if this is gonna work. If not, I might have to go and get a bigger one. But let's hope to see if this works tomorrow. I hope so. Yeah, I got my camera. Why? You want to say something? Huh? Your video of your wheels is coming out. Hey, why were you yelling at her like you were the manager, man?
Bro, I thought the music plus the glass, I forgot that microphone was there. Bro, I felt so bad.
She was all like, oh.
Dude, here's the thing.
No, dude, don't listen to him, dude. If you're going with 500, 600 or more horsepower, you're gonna need the bigger brake kit. You don't want to burn out your brakes. All right, Jamie, that's what it's for.
Let's hear your input.
No, but here's the thing. If he's not going to be hitting those speeds on a regular basis, it doesn't matter.
He's going to be banging it all the time.
No, but he's not going to be using all 500 horsepower all the fucking time.
Right, John?
I would.
Had that.
Stereo?
Had a high performance emergency brake.
So why did you have to get the ST back then?
Why did you have a high performance emergency brake? Why did you have a high performance emergency brake?
Because it was
you weren't breaking any emergency.
The question is, how come you had to have an ST?
Like what? The back.
Look, okay, look. Do you work at Subaru? Do you work at Subaru?
Huh?
Do you work at Subaru?
I'm sorry, he's a Subaru.
Do you work at
He's a
Subaru?
Subaru certified technician, my bad.
Exactly.
I'm just saying it's a totally different.
Difference in power, stock for stock, between a WRX and an STI. Money is not enough to spend 10 grand more than what he's already spent.
Sorry.
Second of all, it's same interior except for a badge. Yeah, you have the bigger motor, but the power is not that big of a difference. At least if you're going to switch everything out anyway because you're going to modify it, he's going to pay way more. At least if I were to go from like the ST to the RS, I'd be like it's 100 horsepower difference and it's all-wheel drive. It's a completely different driving car.
Yeah, so I'm gonna spend the same amount.
It's the same drivetrain, the same platform. You can make this one faster for less money.
Okay,
like
we're done. Anyways,
He wants the bigger brakes. He's gonna get them one day.
is that how we started this whole conversation?
The cops.
That was cool of him.
I know, huh? The cops showed up and they said, just
Keep the noise down.
yeah. He said to shut the fuck up. He said he thought he heard a whole bunch of exhaust and he heard your car exhaust is really loud, dude.
is it really?
Yeah. All right, John. You got your pick? Huh? I don't know. What do you want to do? Oh, hey, Steph.
She's all looking at me.
Oh, it's an anime. I think it's fucking good.